This is a Solid Edge Equivalence Data file. It's the digital glue that tells your simulation how different parts in your assembly are connected. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. If your simulation isn't running, it's likely because these connections need to be refreshed to match your latest design changes. My experience tells me that some EQD files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. An EQD file is a specialized data container used by Siemens Solid Edge during the finite element analysis (FEA) process. It specifically stores equivalence or connection data that defines how different components in a complex assembly interact, such as whether they are welded together or allowed to slide. By mapping the mesh nodes of one part to another, the EQD file ensures that physical loads and stresses are accurately transferred across the interfaces between parts during a simulation. Developed by Siemens Digital Industries Software, the EQD format is strictly governed by the NX Nastran solver's mathematical requirements. The primary design rule is geometric dependency, which dictates that the connection data is tied to the exact spatial coordinates of the 3D model. If a component is moved even slightly within the assembly, the EQD connections are rendered invalid, triggering a validation error that requires the user to recalculate the equivalence data to maintain simulation integrity. This EQD file is handled by the industry standard tool Solid Edge from Siemens PLM software. To maintain file health, avoid direct interaction using Windows Explorer alone. Windows shows only limited geometry, so deeper analysis requires specialized modeling tools. To unlock the data, right-click the EQD file and select Open With. Test Solid Edge if available. If it's absent, choose another program. We must determine which app can properly read the header. When your EQD file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. The problem with this EQD file isn't complicated, it's specific. We just need to verify a few key details on our checklist before moving to the fix. First, open the assembly, .asm. You cannot open an EQD file individually. Open the Solid Edge assembly that contains the simulation study. Next, check connection status. In the simulation sidebar, look for the Connections or Interactions group. If you see a warning icon, the EQD data is out of sync with your 3D geometry. Finally, rerun Check Equivalence. Select the Check Equivalence command within the simulation environment. This will recalculate the node mappings and update the EQD file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.